Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. We are taking one more example in pointer in C. So in this example we have included our two header file, that is our standard input output header file, and second one is our string header file. So what we are doing, because we are using a function that is defined inside the string header file. So we are taking a character empty array, and we have also taken a pointer to a string, and we have given the string as well of named string, and then we have used our string length function that will return the length of the string, and we have done like this. So what will be the output of, let's say, so what we are going to do in here, we are taking an character array of size 10. Okay, so a is a pointer and this is our array. Okay, and of size 10, the size will be 10, and this is our character pointer, and that's why it will point to this string, and it will store the address of first character. Okay, that is s. So this is how we have introduced the string. This is the pointer of type character, and it will point to any string. So this is how we can declare and initialize our string like this in C programming language. And what we are going to do, what will be happening, b is a pointer and it will point to a string. So let's see what the string is. string and a null character. Okay, so this is the complete string. This is our pointer and this is our pointer a. We are taking defined our variable length, and we are returning a string length of b. So what is the length of b? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 will be written into the length. Okay, length number is 7. Okay, now we are taking in for loop in here, and we are at every iteration we are returning a value from b to a. So what we are going to do in here, we are taking a value from b and copying into the a. So I value 0, so at 0 1 8 and 9, so size of a is 10. And what we are going to do in here, we are taking length minus 1. So length is 7 minus 1, the value of 6. So 6th value will be copied into 0. So 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th value, that is the one null value, will be copied. So first null is copied in here, and after that our I value will be increased in here, and after that second last value will be copied. So a string will be copied, the complete string will be copied in a reverse manner. Okay. So this is how our complete string will be copied. Okay, so this value will be looped for 7 times, and after that it will pop out. So complete string will be copied in a reverse manner, and after that we will trying to print our string a. So what is the meaning of string a? Address of first character will be passed, and I have told you that a starting address is required, and after that it will preprint the complete string till our null character is found. So what will be going to do in here, our first character is itself a null character. Okay, so it will understand that this is the end of the string. Okay, we are trying to print our string a, but the first character itself is a null character, and that's why nothing will be printed. So blank, nothing will be printed at all. So output will be nothing. Okay, so nothing will be printed because first character itself is a null character, and compiler understand that if it stops printing the string when a null character is found. So first character itself is a null, and that's why it will print nothing. So let's see what will be the output of it. Let's compile our code and run it. Let's see what will be the output of it. I think there should not be any output, and yes, nothing is printed in here. The reason is because the first character itself is our null character, and that's why nothing is printed in here, and this is how we can get the answer. So you can also try this code by your own and analyze it and get what is the output of it. This kind of question is asked in Gate very often, so you need to get the concept thoroughly. So you try by your own. Thank you so much.